Hey guys, I'm just going to show you some of the uses for this plugin and what it exactly does. So I have three examples. So let's say, first of all, you have an image side by side with the text and you want to vertically align it. And for some reason, you don't want to use the image cards or anything like that. You could just use this plugin. All we have to do is add a code block right above the row that, this is in. We're going to paste this code. And this code obviously is only going to work after you do step 1, 2, and 3 of the guide that you'll get. So then you hit save. And then you'll see that now it's vertically centered. So now let's say you want these two images vertically centered instead of along the top. You just go again, add a full width row because this span is the full width. And we're just going to add a code block, paste in this code, and hit save. And now they'll be vertically aligned. And also this, on mobile, it defaults to what it usually is. Same with tablet, because I find that on tablet it's not the best to have them vertically aligned, but I'll have the code for vertically aligning on tablet as well. So it's so you can choose what you want. And I'll show you the last section. So let's say if you have like a map side by side with the contact form, again, you want to make sure you're adding it so it spans both. So here you don't want to add it here. You want to come to the very left, add it right here. So we add in a code block. And then we're going to hit save. And it'll also be vertically centered. So again, you can use it when you have 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows. It'll vertically align all of them. Just make sure that if you have 2 rows on the left and then you have something on the right that you don't want aligned, that the horizontal line, when you add the code block, only spans wherever you want a vertical line. And yeah, that's it.